come and spend the day with me out on the course filming and playing 9 holes. I grabbed the clubs out the garage and headed straight to Coupland's for my favourite breakfast and made sure that I was loaded up on coffee before we started the round. Now any day that I'm out filming I try and get at least 3 or 4 videos worth of content just because I don't get out more than probably once a week. I played really well today. I managed to shoot 5 over through 9 holes, which is a pretty good score for me, and this was probably my shot of the day. A 60-yard chip shot that left it only a foot away from the pin. I was really happy with how I played in pretty tough conditions. I nipped into the shops for milk and snacks on the way home and then made sure that I cleaned my clubs. As playing in winter, they were absolutely filthy and I always forget this, so I try and make sure I do it at the end of every round. Once they were all clean, I put the kettle on, made a cup of tea and got the snacks ready so I could sit down for a couple of hours and finish off all my editing to do. So I loaded everything into CapCut, made sure that I had 4 or 5 videos to last me the week, grabbed the microphones to do the voiceovers, exported all the footage, and that was a job well done. Hope you enjoyed the video guys and follow along for more.